Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Crystal, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute keyring holder with a spring attachment that you can attach to your bag and hide it away for safety. It's super quick. It doesn't take very long to make, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So to begin with, we're going to have our supplies. We have our keyring holder here, which I got from Tandy Leather, and I'm going to link everything that I used in the description box below. I have our swivel hook here that we're going to use to attach to our purse later on. Then I have rivets here, and I know there's a lot there, but I'll show you what they look like individually later on. I have some scissors, and these are the ones that I use to cut fabric only. And I have a pencil to draw out the measurements. I have my quilting ruler, which is see-through, so I can see where I'm actually drawing on the fabric. I have a piece of vinyl here that's about 8 by 4. And then I have my rotary cutter here, which is going to help me cut the fabric. So the first thing I'll do is actually measure out a piece of that vinyl to use to make the keychain holder. So we're going to measure out 4 by 2, 4 inches by 2 inches. Use the pencil to draw along the edges. Then we're going to use our rotary cutter to cut it, or you can also use your scissors to cut this if you feel more comfortable. And if you miss a spot, you can always use your scissors, like I said. All right, so now we have our piece of vinyl ready to go. So all we're gonna do at this point is fold the vinyl over. But first, let me talk about the tools that I'm using to make the point here. So I have this tool called like a pointed end tool that I got from Tandy Leather. I'm going to use a mallet, which I think I got from Tandy as well. I could have gotten it from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to use my little, it's a poundo board. It's a piece of rubber basically that you use to absorb the pressure when you use the tool. And then I have a marble slab that you can also get from Tandy. So lots of these things are found either at Tandy and even Hobby Lobby. So what I'm going to do is take the vinyl and I'm just going to fold it in half. And I'm going to use these clips here, which are like the bomb. So I got these from Hobby Lobby, or no, I got them from Home Depot a while ago. I was using Wonder Clips that I got from Joann's, but they all broke on me. So I decided to use this because my sewing teacher, he works with leather, but he uses them and they're so much more sturdy. I think Home Depot has them for like 79 cents each. They're super inexpensive, but Dollar Tree also has a pack of these pink ones here. I think they come like 8 to a pack for $1. So don't sleep on Dollar Tree. They also have these clips and some other interesting supplies too that you can use to make your bag. So again, all we'll do is fold it over once. We're gonna put the clips to hold it into place. And after you've adjusted them, let's go over to the pounder board. And we're gonna take that pointed end tool that I have there, and you're gonna put it right at the top of the fabric, just like that. So when you're looking down at it, it should look just like that, as close to the top as you can possibly get it. And you're gonna lay it down, and you're gonna take the mallet and you're just going to hit it hard with force. Hit it as hard as you can. And alternately, if you don't have that, you can always use your scissors and just cut a point in it. I just like using the pointed end tool because it leaves such a nice sharp pointed end. When I cut it with scissors, it looks like trash. I don't know why, but it always looks so bad when I use scissors to cut the end. So be careful with the mallet. And I know the first time I used the mallet, I was so nervous. I think I hit my thumb, but that's what it looks like. So we're gonna go straight to the sewing machine, and we're gonna sew along that creased edge of our keychain holder, and we'll put it under the presser foot there. And I'm just going to do a forward stitch and then a back stitch, and I'm going to sew all the way around. You can take away your clips at this point. Since one side is sewn down, you don't need them anymore unless you want the clips to be there, but you can take away the clips as you see fit. I usually cut my thread tails once I turn any piece that I'm sewing, just so that they're out the way. All right, and we are done. So we're gonna cut off the rest of the thread, and this is pretty much what it looks like. But what we'll do is we're gonna actually cut off any excess fabric that we have hanging off. We're basically gonna true up the edges. So sometimes there's some pieces, some excess fabric hanging off, so we can just trim it to make sure that it's even all the way around. And once we've done that, we are almost done. It's coming together really quickly. Okay, so now we are going to attach the actual ring that's going to hold our keys. So we're going to take one end of the vinyl that we just sewn and fold it over into the ring. So it'll look kind of like that. And then I'm going to take my rotary punch and I'm just going to punch a hole right above the point of the actual vinyl. So the hole is right about there. And then I'm going to take the rivet. I'm going to take the male part, the part that's sticking out. I'm going to take that and push it through the hole. And then I'm going to take the back half of the rivet and I'm going to put it on there to secure it. And that is what it's looking like so far. So from here, we're gonna go to the hand press, and this is what the hand press looks like. You can get that from Tandy Leather as well. It is a bit of an investment, but it's so worth it if you're gonna actually make bags. It saves so much time, and all you do is pretty much just put the rivet between the two springs and you press it down with your hand, and there you have it. So we're almost done with our keychain holder. We're going to take the swivel hook and put it on the other end of the sewn piece of vinyl, just like we did before. Fold it over, use our hole punch, and then punch a hole the exact same way that we did before. Repeat what we did with the rivets before. We'll put the long end in the hole, and then we'll put the back of the rivet, attach it, and then we'll go over to the hand press and press it together. They do have another rivet setter that you can get that's much cheaper, but I'm not a fan of it. If you can invest in this hand press, I will go for it. And this is what our keychain holder is looking like. Super simple. That's the front, that's the back. You can pull at it, it's pretty sturdy. And we are done. So once our keys are actually on the keychain keychain holder. A good thing about this is that you can attach it to any purse that has a D-ring holder or even a smaller strap. You can attach it to it, and you can also throw it in your purse for safety. So this is really great because I always lose my keys in my bag, like my big tote bags especially. I have the hardest time finding them sometimes, so this helps a lot, keeping them safe and also keeping them exactly where you can find them, attached to the D-ring of your purse. And there you have it, perfectly hidden away inside your cute purse. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you make this in the comments below. Was it hard to make? Was it easy to make? And check us out on Instagram at 15and15.